Good afternoon, our listeners. Welcome on our video today. As you can see, today we are looking at biology, and this one is Form 3. This one is a full paper with many questions. It answers 100 marks. If this is your first time to watch our videos, take a few seconds, subscribe to our channel, like this video, and turn on notification. The subscribers, we really want to thank you guys for the support that you've given us. You can see the channel is growing very fast because of your support. Let us go straight to the first question. You are told the diagram below represent an apparatus used to collect specimen for study. You can see the apparatus there. To identify the apparatus, this one is specimen bottles. B. State why it is advisable to have the apparatus illustrated above made of glass for visibility and easier cleaning. Number 2, state the use of the following: a pair of forceps holding stinging or biting or poisonous specimens. Number 2, built-in belt trap. That one is attract small animals on the trap. Number C, chloroform, immobilize mobile animals during specimen collection or observation. Number 3, you are told how do the following characteristics differ in planted animals? How do they differ? We have one side characteristic, and we have plant on the other side, animals. How do they differ? Nutrition, how does it take place? How does it occur in plants, and how does it occur in animals? So this table was not filled up, and therefore you should be able to differentiate and get marks. This table do not have the answers that you can see. It is us that we have filled it for you. So nutrition in plant have autotrophic nutrition, that is, they make their own food. Animals, as you know, they are heterotrophic. They feed on already made food. On one side, plant, in terms of movement and locomotion, plants move some parts or its body. It lack locomotion. It does not move, or they move parts, while in animals move from one place to another. They have locomotion. What about excretion? In plant, they lack complex excretory organs. Animals, they have complex excretory organs. On one side, on growth, that is the plant, the growth occur at localized places, but in animals, growth occur all over the body. That is how you differentiate. Number 4, you can see an experiment here. Number 4, you are told an experiment to investigate an aspect of digestion. 2 test tubes, A and B, you can see them, were set up as shown in the diagram. Setup A, setup B. And you can see starch plus saliva. On the other side, you have starch plus boiled saliva. Then you have water bath maintained at 37 degrees Celsius. So you are told the test tubes were left in the water bath for 30 minutes. content of each test tube were then tested for starch using iodine solution. What was the aim of the experiment? Why do you think these people set up this experiment? It was to look at the effect of temperature on enzyme activity. B, what results were expected in test tube A and B? A and B. What was the result? Write in the comment. A brown color of iodine solution remain, that is in test tube A. Brown color of iodine solution remains. Iodine solution remains brown. What about B? On B, blue black, or it turned to blue black. Why was the setup maintained at that 7 degrees Celsius? To provide optimum temperature for enzymatic action. Go to the next one. We told you what is the role of crystal in respiration. It increases the surface area for attachment of respiratory enzymes. Number 5B, give an equation to show that respiration involves oxidation of a foodstuff. Glucose plus oxygen, you get carbon dioxide plus water plus energy, and this is how you write it, and then you miss a mark if you do not balance the equation. Next, you are told to name the end product of Krebs cycle. That one is carbon dioxide, water, and energy. Number 6, the diagram below represents a vertical section through a mammalian skin. This is how the mammalian skin, it has part S, U, Q, R. You're told what is the function of R? What is the function of that? R, not R but S. What is the function of S? Where is S? You can see it there at the top. Protection against mechanical injury, bacteria, fungi, infections. Go to the next one. Name the physiological changes that would occur in the following structures if the environment temperatures was raised gradually from 22 to 40. If it was raised from 22 to 40, what would happen? 22 to 40. What will happen? Will produce more sweat. That is part R will produce more sweat. R will produce more sweat. What about Q? Let us see Q. Q is there. What will happen to that? It will dilate for more blood to flow near the skin surface. Number 7, state 3 external features found in the class Mammalia only. 3 external features found in the class of Mammalia only. Presence of mammary glands, body covered with fur or hair, have external ear or pinna. Number 7B, you're told give 2 differences between class Chilopoda and Diplopoda in relation to their genital aperture and division of the body. Chilopoda on one side, Diplopoda on the other side. Chilopoda body divided into hand, thorax, and trunk. Diplopoda body divided into hand and trunk. Number 2, interior genital aperture. The other one, posterior genital aperture.